Modeling definitely gave me a new perspective of life. And career-wise, it's been crazy to say the least. It's flights after flights, shoots after shoots. It's really been a roller coaster of a ride. I was the first Nigerian male model from where I'm from, and I represent beating the odds for sure. We've all come from different places and we have experienced a lot of different things, and that's what essentially makes us who we are. It's really about, sticking to your roots. That's a good way to find your own individuality in the fashion industry. Just be yourself, break the boundaries, let your personality stand out. Don't try to be anyone else. For every model out there who has a dream of becoming a model or being anything in the world, look at me. I know that anything, absolutely anything, is possible. Victor Ndigwe signing out.